Okay, very good. He finished already. He told me that he finished yesterday, so I'm looking and it's finished. Okay, this is ready for the next step. We can't continue our work to this site, to this building, because the materials is from other place, especially in the big city like Sydney. So we can't get the materials from Sydney. We ordered already, but they can't deliver the materials because of the lockdown, because of this pandemic, and we are just waiting until they are ready to deliver it. So at the moment, while we are waiting, we are just working what we're gonna work here. He just need to weld that one there. We drag that there, from there to the middle.
The only line that was critical. It's the only line I mucked up. All the others are perfect, but this one is the only one.
He ran out of wire, so he going to change the wire.
15 kg roll, so it's not like to carry either. This weighs nearly as much as a bag of cement.
Oh, is that 15 kg?
Yeah.
Oh.
Where the wire is. The wire is there, so it goes that way. And the gas off. I never put my helmet on there unless I've turned the gas off. Why is it not?
How to change wire? Wheel wire. That is a
I
wheel.
always bend the end on it.
Which one is that?
I always bend the end. There's a little piece and they bend over so it doesn't, so it doesn't go through. And you undo the undo the tensioner.
Undo the tensioner. I didn't
And you've
see
got to
that.
go to the other end of the machine. This end here. Bring it back. You got the wire.
Oh, yes.
Being a 4 metre lead, there's a lot of wire in it.
So you did not use that?
You can't use it because it's onto the wire. Alright, now. This is a MIG that's not meant to have a big roll on it. It's only supposed to have a 5 kg roll, so I made up my own cradle. Yeah. Take that off there like that. I haven't had it off here for a long time. Make sure it runs the right direction. You try never ever to touch the wire. The roller wire.
Don't touch the wire.
And that's not right. Ouch.
See, don't touch the wire.
It's got nothing to do with the wire. You and me. Alright, so.
Why you are ouchie?
Because it pinched my hand in here. Alright, when you're done. Find out where the end of the wire is, which is right here. There.
And
now tear the covering paper off. Cut a nice end on here. Feed it into your tube, over your roller, and then into your, the hardest part, into your line. Put your tensioner back down, put it back there, turn the machine on, don't worry about your gas. Hold the trigger and watch the spool. You can feel it in your hand. Coming. There. It won't come out. Sometimes it mucks up on the way out, so you've got to undo the end of it. I normally use pliers, not side cutters. I told you it was there.
Over there now, look, yeah.
You can feel it in your hand. Oh, I can anyway. Some people can't, but I can. Back on, cut it to welding length, and you're done. Don't forget to turn your gas back on and get your helmet and your glove. Wrong glove. The other one's over there.
Turn it on. And
go again.
You go.
I welded the join, and then it's one piece of steel from one end to the other.
Done. Only one. He just welded one. So he going to drag that again back to the tractor. Want me to help you there? Just pull it.
Stop it. Just off. Just off. Now we need a tractor driver. Come. To the shed, to the shed, to the shed. Darling. I don't want it. Your turn.
Now it's my turn. Okay. It's my turn.
That way. No, this way, this way. Go. No, that's it. Go. Tried to take it without picking it up. Oh yeah, you're down. If you don't tilt it up, it'll fall off. Easiest way to get a big around, put it on the pallet, put it on the front of the tractor. If you look in the shadow, you can see me telling her what to do. One behind and kept one. Very good.
Thanks for watching. See you my next video.